In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Asana inbox efficiently and avoid overwhelm. If you're overwhelmed by the constant barrage of notifications and updates in Asana, you're not alone. Managing your inbox effectively is crucial for staying organized and productive. Let's dive into how you can do just that. First things first, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, just click on Get Started or Try for free to set up your account. Once you're in, you'll want to customize your notifications to better suit your priorities and work style. Navigate to My Settings and from there select Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune which updates you receive. It's important to cut down on unnecessary notifications that don't demand your immediate attention. This will help reduce distractions and ensure that your focus remains on the most pressing tasks. Next, let's talk about using inbox filters. Clicking on your inbox opens up options to filter the notifications, such as by app mentions or by tasks specifically assigned to you. Prioritizing these assigned to me notifications over general project updates can dramatically help in focusing on what truly matters, making sure your time and effort are invested where they count the most. Now, when it comes to managing your inbox, remember to archive, not ignore. Once you've acknowledged or acted on a notification, move it to the archive to keep your inbox tidy. Allowing messages to pile up without addressing or clearing them can easily lead to overwhelm and missed information. A crucial aspect of communication within Asana is to collaborate directly in tasks, rather than cluttering your inbox with replies. Whenever possible, comment within the task itself to keep the conversation directly associated with the project at hand, making it easier for everyone involved to follow along and reducing inbox noise. Finally, take advantage of Asana's automation features. Asana offers Rules, a powerful tool that can automate certain notifications, especially those repetitive updates. For instance, you could set a rule to auto-assign tasks when a project stage changes, which saves you from having to manually track and update these changes. This automation helps maintain a smooth and organized workflow across your team. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to mastering Asana inbox management. Not only will you reduce unnecessary stress, but you'll also create a more productive work environment for yourself and your team. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and guides.